Okay, I am recording video. Awesome. Okay, I came to the park this morning and something came to my attention regarding when I was in the Word and let's see. Okay, I guess it's not letting me zoom in. But I was in the Word and reading I was studying in the book of Ezra anyway, and how it was letting us know to speak the word, and it's to the point where when we speak the word that things are manifesting as we speak the word. This should let me zoom in some kind of way, but anyway, that's crazy. But as I was, some kind of way I wind up in Genesis, and it was saying that when God created, speaking about the creation, he created each thing in whatever day, right? But then I got to the end of the creation where he said that all the green herbs that bear seed, was for the food. And then he also mentioned for every beast of the field and every fowl of the air, the same herbs bearing seed were their food as well. And I was always under the knowledge that birds, I thought they ate worms, or I was thinking they were picking worms early in the morning. But no, as I was walking today, I wish I wasn't so far away. As I was walking this morning, I took observation of all the ducks that I just have it's like I'm aligned with them right now. I don't know, but I guess because I see them every morning, but it feels like we resin together at this time. But as I took observation closer to their beauty and to their smoothness of their motion, it's just like grace. It's just graceful. And I'm trying to make my way over there to the group of birds. But again, as I stopped, I took time and I stopped today. I didn't just walk past them admiring them. I stopped, I took notice as they were grazing or in the grass plucking. I'm thinking they're plucking worms or something, insects or whatever. No, they were choosing different or passing over to get to the grass that was edible. And it's not like they were eating everything. They were passing over different leaves to get to what was edible. Okay? And here's something that I admire. I haven't a clue. Are these roots? It's for this tree here. And these are roots, I guess. I would assume they're roots. But they're growing up out of the ground like that. And it's a weird look, but hey, nature. So yes, to my amaze, they were eating different grades of the grass. And I'm going to show you the ones that I saw them picking to eat. I'm trying to see if I see them. Yeah, I'm trying to, I don't see one as of I'm looking right now. Just off glance, I don't see it right off. So I'm going to go in the area that they're in. And let me see. Nope, I thought that was one. Okay, they looked sort of like this here. Now my camera looks dark. But the ones they were choosing to eat, let me get in the light. I gotta learn how to use my camera better, guys. I am going to learn. But they were kind of like the ones that look like sand sparrows. But those were the ones that I saw them choosing to eat. And I had to leave because I guess I was standing there too long because they had gotten to the point they were used to people. There's one eating right now. Let me see. Where is he? They had gotten used to people feeding them, and they started walking up to me. But see, he's in the area, the duck is in the area where a lot of those different kind of the things I was noticed that they were eating. He's in a section where there are a lot of them. And they were moving over to get to those. So I don't know, is that may be a lesson from nature right there to, because there's healing in the leaves of the trees, of the herbs. Just like when dogs get sick, they don't go just eat any grass. They pick over and get the ones that is for healing. So again, a lesson from nature. They're resting now. It's around 10:30 in the morning. So they've eaten, got full. Yeah, look at the roots. I think that's majestic. It just looks so powerful. This is one of the trails that I take a walk around and enjoy the nature. I think the best time is early in the morning, and that way the birds are wide awake. Everybody's trying to get that early bird. You heard that saying, early bird gets the worm. I don't know. I want to check that out. Are they really eating worms? Get that first dew off of those different type of plants that brings healing, nutrition. So I thought I would share that with you. in my before I start my day, because I wouldn't have gotten to it if I don't do it now. So I wanted to bring it to you about Genesis says, somewhere Genesis, when God created heaven and earth, on at the end he said every green tree or herb bearing seeds is for food for man. And also he said for every beast of the field and every fowl of the air, it's for food. The green herbs, seeds bearing herbs, seed bearing. I wish I had it where I could quote it word for word. But I thought birds ate worms. Even the squirrels eat the nuts. Yes, even the squirrels, they're eating nuts. Okay, have a good day.